finally. And the glass did not break. Thank you, God. All right, let's go. No, I gotta sit down for 2 seconds. All right, time to get the office going. I think I shared about this on my Insta stories already, and by now, maybe when you're seeing this, it's already done. I don't know. Some days the sun does not really shine in because it's one window, so I'm like, no, I don't want to do anything. But it's sunny today. Time to get it going. Cannot wait to show y'all what I'm doing with all of the bookcases and white furniture from the previous apartment in the DMV. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm not sure if you can see the direction I'm going in, but I realized that this one has the hooks on it from the apartment cloths. This is where I hang like jewelry on these Amazon hooks. So this one is not going to be, excuse me, I'm so winded. This one is not going to be in this space in my office. This one is going to go in the actual walk-in closet. So I'm going to pull this one away from the wall and then undress this one. They did not want this to get scuffed. They damaged one of them, but the top that I just showed you, but they covered this bad boy up because it has the glass doors already on it. So I'm gonna try my best to unsecure this dressing they put on, which was so well secured, and stand it up and put it here. Yeah, and the overhead is already attached to it. That's why it's so long. It's actually really heavy, so I might have to take off the doors, or I don't know, slide on the ground, figure something out. But we're gonna continue working. It's coming along. I have a business meeting at 6 o'clock. I have a business meeting at 6 o'clock with another influencer. I'm trying to get this done as soon as possible. It's just the dry run. This is the dry run, not the full styling and makeover video. But thanks for watching. All right, let's continue. Come on. Whew, finally. And the glass did not break. Thank you, God. All right, let's go. No, I gotta sit down for 2 seconds.